आज का जो टॉपिक है दैट इज वेरी वेरी कॉमन टॉपिक। कॉमन टॉपिक इसके लिए है कि हमको सबको मालूम है कि यू शुड नॉट रिवील ऑल द सीक्रेट्स ऑफ योर माइंडसेट टू अदर पीपल, स्पेशली इन टर्म्स ऑफ मनी, especially in terms of your next plan, especially in terms of your long-term plan, because there are people out there who will not like your progress. There are many people out there who will see that what you are doing, they will try to dissect it, and they will try to put negativity in your mind. They will try to pull you back from behind. They will try to show you all the negative aspects of it, and they will try to spoil your mindset, make your mindset toxic. Especially in terms of money, you should be very secretive, because people don't like people growing, people don't like people progressing, people don't like people having surplus source of incomes. So if you see the people who have gone to the upper level, people who have gone to the rich level, they talk very less about their source of income. Let people guess, let people know from others, let people have an idea from other people, but they don't themselves tell that how much money they are earning, through which sources they are earning, how much per year they make, what are the projections they have kept for themselves, what are the money source pipeline they have developed for themselves. They never reveal the correct source of income, because they know that many good people are there outside, but more than good, there are many bad people also there are outside, who will put something or the other, the cog in the wheel type, some problem, some issues, some gossip, some controversy, some situation will arise where you will get stuck in life, and then you will repent that why you told about all your money sources to such people. Because people will become your friend, people will become your close friend, people will become your close associate, and they will try to get all the information from you, and later when time arises they will use all against you, because they are not gaining the money the way you are gaining, they are not gaining the progress the way you are gaining, they are not gaining the growth the way you are gaining. So what they will do, they will try to pull you back, they will try to show you the wrong direction, they will try to be jealous, and people who are jealous, people who are angry, people who are upset, people who are not in the good state of mind, they will never see that you are living a good life. They will ensure that something or the other problem gets developed and you get stuck in that. They will ensure that you are not in the good mood, you are not on the good track, you are getting stuck with the authorities, you are getting stuck with other people, you are getting stuck with your relatives, you are getting stuck with your known circle of people. They will ensure that some problem or the other is coming on the way, and you are not progressing in life the way you were doing earlier. So how much you are earning, from where you are earning, what is your source of income, what is your money pipeline, whom you are giving the money, where you are saving the money, where you are investing the money, where you have given money for growth, where you have given money for long-term growth. All these points has to be kept very secret with your close people, with your close relation, where you feel safe, and you should not disclose to all people around, because you never know who will go against you, you never know who will reveal all the plan, all the dealings, all the information to some other people for their small gains, and you will fall in trouble. So the best part is that money, if it is coming to you from all the 4 direction, 5 direction, 6 direction, 7 direction, keep it with you. Keep it with you, and don't tell people that what all you are doing, how you are doing, what is the trick, what is the rasta, what is the system, what is the method you are following. Never reveal everything to everybody, because the world out there is not so simple as you think. The world out there is not so clean as you think. The world out there is not so good mindset as you think, because you will tell people in a good way of thinking, but the other people takes in which way of thinking you cannot imagine. So always try to keep all these plans of money, all this income source of money all these projections of money or this working method of money up to you only, or share with your close ones, but not everybody, not everyone, not any person who is connected with you should know about your source of income. Because if you are an open book to everybody, then you know what will happen and how people will misuse you, how people will take advantage of you. So please understand about this. If you are clear on this, then I hope you will take measures, you will take preventive actions, and you will try to introspect, and you will try to inculcate this habit, which is very important. Because you can see people around who have reached to a top level, who have reached to a good level, better level with money. They never disclose their source of income. They never elaborate their source of income. They only tell that, okay, not a problem, money is coming. Not a problem, we are good. Not a problem, it's all okay. That's all. They don't reveal all their secrets. This is very important. Thanks a lot for listening. See you soon in my next video.